Welcome to our guide on data science careers. In today's tech-driven world, data science is one of the most sought-after career paths. From analyzing trends to predicting future outcomes, data science is at the core of innovation. Let's dive into what data science is, the skills you'll need, various job roles, and how you can start your journey. Data science is more than just crunching numbers. It combines programming, statistics, and domain expertise to transform raw data into meaningful insights. These insights help businesses boost ROI or measure their social impact. It's an interdisciplinary field essential for functions like restocking groceries, tracking political campaigns, and maintaining medical records. So what exactly is data science? It emerged from statistics and data mining, sitting at the intersection of software development, machine learning, and research. Data professionals create algorithms to turn data patterns into actionable research for governments, companies, and more. Ready to dive in? The IBM Data Science Professional Certificate can set you on the right path, helping you gain in-demand skills like Python programming, machine learning, and data visualization. To succeed in data science, you'll need a mix of technical and workplace skills. Some of the most essential are statistical analysis, machine learning and deep learning, data visualization, mathematics and programming, managing unstructured data, tools like SAS, Hadoop, Spark, Python, and R. And don't forget workplace skills like communication, storytelling, critical thinking, and teamwork. The job outlook for data science is bright. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics estimates a much faster than average growth rate for data scientists in the U.S. You can pursue numerous roles within data science, each integral to making business decisions. Here are just a few. Data scientists. They build models and applications, often working with data engineers and analysts. Data analysts. They use structured data to solve business problems and visualize trends. Data architect. They design blueprints for data management systems. Data engineer. They prepare and manage data, optimizing pipelines and infrastructure. Machine learning engineer. They build AI models and algorithms to facilitate machine learning. Business analysts. They use data to form business insights and recommendations. Wondering where to begin? Here are the steps. Step 1. Get an education. A bachelor's degree in data science, business, or related field is ideal. If you have a different background, online courses and certificates can help. Step 2. Consider bootcamps, intensive programs like those from General Assembly, Flatron School, BrainStation, and Claris Way can provide hands-on experience in a shorter amount of time than a traditional degree. Step 3. Gain experience. Start with entry-level jobs or internships. Apply widely and be persistent. You can also start your journey with industry-recognized credentials like Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. No degree is required, and you learn at your own pace. Explore data science further with IBM Data Science Professional Certificate on Coursera. Gain the skills to make data-driven decisions and advance your career in as little as 11 months. Thanks for watching, and check the links below for more resources. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more career guides.